for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
So we start off this morning, temperatures a little bit cooler. We've got numbers sliding back through the 40s. I think this time tomorrow, those numbers are going to slide back even farther. This afternoon, with a little bit of luck, we get up over 60. But I do think we're going to have a frosty start to Tuesday. And now we start talking about our next chance to get wet come Wednesday. So we're going to continue with these quicker moving systems. Maybe once we get past Wednesday, now we can slow things down a little bit and enjoy a longer period of dry. On the radar, not much left. Earlier this morning, had a couple of sprinkles in our far eastern areas. Most of that has fizzled out since. And today is really going to be about the clearing and some of those stubborn clouds to the east that may take a little while to shoo away. It's 47 right now in Tallahassee. It's 45 in Thomasville. We're starting at 49 in Valdosta. There's a breeze out of the northwest doing a pretty good job of moving the air around and bringing in more of this drying conditions. It's 43 for Marianna. It's 44 for Bainbridge. Perry's at 48. So is Live Oak. Valdosta's 49 is actually the warmest spot around. On those winds, most of it will turn more towards the northwest to bring in that drier air. I think with the drying, with the breeze, no real visibility concerns for us. I don't expect to have any tomorrow either, but I do think frost can be an issue for us tomorrow. All that moisture that was just sort of on top of us all day yesterday, bringing us all that rain, nearly 3 full inches at the Tallahassee airport. That continues to scoot up the east coast and away from our part of the southeast. We get about a day and a half of higher pressure in control, which will keep the air sinking, keep the air dry, keep the skies clear until that moves away and the next bit of energy gets through our area, and that drags with it another boundary which could trigger more showers and more storms. So Wednesday, another busy day in the forecast. Once we get past Wednesday, it does look like everything slows down. Now, this is a little different setup. So instead of having that conveyor belt of moisture where we get those waves of rain all day, this is more like a 1 or 2 shots and done kind of rain. But we'll watch and we'll see how this evolves before it gets here. And then we'll start to look for those changes for the second half of the week, which will bring with it some more cooler air. So we're going to continue on the very seasonable. And remember, it's January. It's supposed to be kind of cold outside. The wind's calming down on the Gulf today. The sky's clearing out of the north and northeast like 10 to 20. Seas will be up to about 4 or 5 feet. 40s and 50s this morning. We'll go with the stubborn clouds and a few showers east finally going away. Some of those clouds may linger a bit for this afternoon, but most of us will end up with clearing conditions, and that should get our temperatures up over 60. Tonight, with the clear skies, with the calm winds, with the dry air, going to get cold. I think a lot of us will see those temperatures dropping real fast and we'll wake up tomorrow morning to mid-30s. Here's that extended forecast. Does look like Wednesday is our next best shot to get wet. Could be some storms mixed in there too. Once we get past it, I see some more clearing and drying, and that will lead to more cooling. A chilly start on Friday, but a real cold one looks like Saturday.